They saw one of them video releases.
No? Did you want to? Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are going into town because we are going to be picking up something pretty exciting. Every month we get a newsletter from our extension office of what is going on in the extension office and what we could possibly benefit from. And in there is an article that they received a whole big truck, like a 18-wheeler truck full of compost that they're donating to our community. And yesterday I called, I got on the list. So today we are heading into town to go pick up a truckload of compost. So let's go into town. All right, friends, so we're down at one of the sites for the extension office, and there is the soil, that's the compost that we're gonna be getting. I'm so excited to be getting that. So Reed was just telling me that this came in December from a mushroom farm up in Pennsylvania. And so they are gonna go ahead and start loading us up with a couple loads of this wonderful compost. And I can smell how awesome this compost smells. Like, it's awesome. And you can see the heat coming off of it, so you know this is really good compost. So excited. There we go. My bed of the truck is a little bit smaller than most people's, but it's going in there.
They saw one of them video releases.
No? Did you want to?
Y'all have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
To mix it in to your soil, that wouldn't hurt it. You know, put it in your garden right now. So it should be good. And grow out the light show for college. They really wanted to help the community out. It's been a blessing.
Awesome.
And I give you the information about compost.
Yes.
That's from UK. Hopefully that'll help you. It talks a lot about doing your own compost. I think that's a good idea.
I can just, because I want to get my own compost started, so I can put this, some of it in there to kind of help activate it and get it going.
So, yeah, I think so. This worked out good. We've already had
Quite a few people, it looks
almost
like
20 people come this morning. So just,
that's awesome.
trying to get through, as good as we can. And 2 scoops makes a good pickup load.
Yeah,
so
that's perfect.
I think it'll be good.
All right, friends, so we've got our soil and we're gonna go ahead and head home and figure out what we're gonna do and where we're gonna put this awesome soil. So Reed was just saying to go ahead, and it could probably compost even a little bit longer, or we can go ahead and mix it into the soil that we have right now. But hubby and I are gonna talk about it and see what we're gonna do and where we're gonna put this awesome compost. All right, friends, so we just got home with our load of compost, and hubby and I were just talking about where we are going to put this, and I am going to go ahead and take it up to the behind the house garden, the backyard garden, and I'm going to set it over there, continue to let it compost, and I will most likely use this in my backyard garden because this is some good compost, and I definitely want that no-till backyard garden to really work well. So I'm going to utilize this compost over there. I'm also going to utilize some of this to get my own compost started. I have been wanting to get a compost, I just have not put it together yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and utilize some of that to get my compost started. We got the side-by-side. That's the only way we're gonna be able to get this behind the back house. That truck will not go behind the house at all. So hubby's gonna load this up into the side-by-side, and then I will take it up there and dump it behind the house. Let's get started. All right, change of plans. Something's up with the side-by-side. It's not wanting to turn properly. So hubby's gonna have to look at that and figure out what's wrong with it. We are instead going to back the truck up that way and just wheelbarrow it, shovel it in over that way. So let me move the truck up there and we'll get started. All right, so that's gonna be a little bit better. It's not as far as that we have to take the wheelbarrow, so we can fill it up and then come over here and dump it. Uh-oh, we have winds going on right now. And I had just laid all of my cardboard where I wanted it, and the wind took off with it. So now it's time to get started. Well, in the middle of unloading the truck, I looked up because the dogs are barking and the pigs were out. So we took off running down there to get the pigs back in. But we were able to get all the compost up here. It's all right here for me to start using. I'm definitely gonna put some in that raised bed that I have right there, and the rest I'll probably just sprinkle out throughout this backyard garden. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have an extension office in your county, definitely check them out. So many great things that you can get from your extension office. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.